As soon as the king had marched his army into the barbarian homeland, rumors began of a plot to seize the throne. When news came of the king's capture, the country was invaded. Several nobles, including your father, sought to end the bloodshed, but on the way to meet for negotiations, their party was massacred by a band of unknown raiders. Bruised and exhausted, you have been beaten back to a forest on an overlooked peninsula, where a small group of loyal troops are hiding. Although the country is lost, maybe from this refuge, you can at least avenge your father's death.
I say we act now and strike while the iron is hot.
No. The few men we have would be cut down like lambs to the slaughter. We need time to gather our forces.
Nonsense! I shall take 6 of my finest men into enemy territory by the cover of darkness and...
No, just listen. Our men are close to starvation. This is what we must do.
The debate rages on well into the night, but eventually Lord Woolsack takes you to one side.
Sir Longarm tells me he knew your father well, which is why I'm giving you your chance to prove yourself. It is time you got your first taste of command. We need you to oversee the setting up of a good-sized base camp. Start by finding a suitable clearing, then use some of the wood plentiful in this area to begin your construction.
Place a keep to site your castle, my liege. Site your granary, sire. Our granary stocks are growing, sire. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. Your popularity is falling. Our granary stocks are a message from your scribe. Animal tracks have been reported in the area, sire. A message from your scribe. Scouts are reporting that packs of wolves are closing in on the castle. We must get the supplies stored. Victory!
Whilst the men frantically ferry precious supplies into the granary, Sir Longarm and Lord Woolsack ride into the camp.
Job well done. Not too bad for your first attempt.
No. The fool has pitched camp in the middle of the wolves' migration track.
Good. It will give the men some well-needed practice before we make our strike.
Poof! Now I have no choice but to send out a scout to find a more permanent position.
Day by day, the camp becomes more overwhelmed by the wolves, and their persistent howling robs the men of sleep. The situation is about to get out of hand when Lord Woolsack's scout returns. Soon afterwards, you are summoned into the command tent.
Sir Longarm has convinced me to give you another chance. we have found the remains of an abandoned stockade.
Wolves plague this county every winter. So we need you to get the stockade back up to scratch quickly.
Failure is not an option this time. Just keep your eyes peeled.
To ensure the safety of your men, you are required to renovate the abandoned stockade before winter is upon us again. Use your archers to kill off any wolves that threaten your peasants.
Sight your granary, sire.
Wood stocks are too low, sire.
Instructions! We await orders! Yes? Arrows ready! Moving off! Archers ready! My bow is yours. Me lord, we are on our way. Instructions. Can't target him, sir. Leaving now. Notch arrows. Moving off. We are on our way. We await orders, yes? Archers, ready! My bow is yours. Leaving now! Me lord, moving off! Our food stocks are dwindling,
Instructions!
my liege. We are on our way. Leaving now. We await orders. Yes? Archers, ready! Finding targets! Moving off! We are on our way! My bow is yours! Our granary stocks are growing, sire. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. This building has a message from your scribe. The wolves are on the prowl, sire. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. Victory!
Well, at least you can complete half a task.
Job well done. Now, our men are secure, and we can send a hunting party into the next county to eradicate the wolves for good.
I suppose it must be done, but we have to proceed with caution, as that county is close to the enemy's border.
need you to train some new recruits in the use of the bow.
The wolves breed in the next county. Find their lairs and wipe them out. It's them or us.
Find a hilltop and fortify yourself there using a mott and bailey.
Duke de Pouce has been patrolling the area of late, so it is vital you are not spotted, as we don't stand a chance against a full assault.
If you see that rat before I do, be sure you slice him open for me.
Construct a Mott and Bailey fortification and strengthen it with some towers. Then start bow production and raise a force of archers with which to eradicate the wolves that run riot there.
Place a keep to site your castle, my liege. Site your granary, sire. A message from your scribe. We'll have to work fast. These wolves are everywhere. No change in the treasury, lord. Wolves are attacking, my lord.
Wood needed.
Not enough workers available to run this building.
Wood needed.
Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege.
More wood is needed.
Can't place that there, my lord. Our granary stocks are growing, sire. No change in the treasury, lord. We await orders. Lord? Instructions. Take steady aim. We await orders. Sire. Yes? Archers, ready. Arrows, ready. My bow is yours. Notch arrows. We await the lord, sire. Leaving now. Finding targets. Instructions. We await orders. Take steady aim. Yes. Arrows, archers, ready. My bow is yours, my lord. Instructions. We await orders. We are victorious, sire.